If you're looking for wood fencing for your home or business, the type of wood you choose is important. Certain woods will require more maintenance than others and can be susceptible to rot, decay, and insects. The woods that are prone to these issues are softwoods, such as pressure-treated pine, cedar, and even redwood. There are certain hardwood species, however, that are more durable than teak and a lot cheaper. The top species of wood that we recommend for a horizontal fence are ipe, kumaru, tigerwood, garapa, and masaranduba. These woods excel in harsh climates such as the hot Florida sun, the dry Arizona desert, as well as cold and snowy Buffalo, New York. Woods such as ipe have been proven to last over 75 years on commercial applications such as the Coney Island Boardwalk. These woods are also naturally resistant to rot, decay, fungus, and wood-boring insects cannot chew through them. In addition, they are low maintenance and incredibly beautiful. Building a horizontal fence from one of these beautiful species of wood will have your friends and neighbors admiring your new fence for years. To learn more about our hardwood for fencing and get current pricing, visit AdvantageLumber.com.